What's going on, everyone? It's RGB here, and in this video we're taking a look at the GameHub emulator running on an iPhone. And yes, you heard it right. The GameHub emulator has been available for both iOS and iPad devices for a while now. And this is the iPhone 12 running the latest iOS 26. Oh, well, we also got the new iOS 26.3 software update notification right here. Well, I'll update it later. Also, I'm getting a lot of comments on how to install GameHub on iPhone. Like many comments asking if it's really possible, similar to what we see on Android devices. So let's see. And in this video, we're going to see how it actually works and what kind of experience you can expect on Apple devices. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, open the App Store. It's officially available on the App Store, by the way. You don't need to sideload or anything like that. And here we are. This is the official GameHub emulator. I don't know if this is an actual version similar to Android or not, so let's see. It's available for both iPhone and iPad devices. Currently, version 2.0.2 is the latest. Well, it was released 2 months ago. And this emulator also requires at least iOS 17 or higher. The same for iPads as well. Well, we all know about iOS, right? These devices don't have GPU drivers access, and it's a completely closed source OS, with limited community support for emulators due to some restrictions. Alright, now let's open it. And there we go. As expected, there aren't many options. We have peripheral and the console games link for remote play. There's no Windows PC option or Steam option. There's no option to actually run PC titles like importing from the Files app or anything like that, and yes, it's unsupported. What you can do is play titles via PS Link local streaming or cloud. Now let's go to peripheral. Here you can add your peripheral or connect different controllers. For example, if you have a PS4, PS5, or any other compatible controller, you can connect it to this iPhone for gaming. So here, I'll connect my PS4 controller to the iPhone via Bluetooth. You just need to pair the controller with the iPhone. All right, it's connected. You can even connect an Xbox controller if you have one. Now let's get back to the main screen. And open console PS Link. Here, you need to enter your game console's IP address. Here, I'll connect my PS4 using the local network IP, and once connected, you're good to go. Also, you need a very fast network connection for this to work smoothly without latency or delay. Well, this is just regular PS Link. Unfortunately, you can't import or play PC titles on this phone like we do on Android devices with Snapdragon or MediaTek. Right now, this is only cloud or remote streaming. Maybe in the future things could change. We'll have to wait and see. Alright, so that's a quick look at the GameHub emulator on iPhone. And if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.